Hi, everyone. I am Rachael Thomas, editor at SME Media. I'm here today at the Manufacturing Technology Series Southwest Show in Dallas, Texas, and I'm here with a representative from Hexagon, if you'd like to share who you are.
Yeah, my name's Matt Redden. I am a technical sales specialist with the production software team. I specialize in implementations of the Esprit CAD/CAM platform in machine shops across North America, and we're happy to be here today.
Awesome. So, for those who are not familiar with Swiss machining, can you just give a brief rundown about what it entails?
Yeah, Swiss machines are complex, high precision CNC machines. They're usually multi-axis. They're geared towards the medical, aerospace, and defense type industry. So tiny parts, tiny components, ultra miniaturization.
Gotcha. And so, how is Swiss machining evolving through, as your panel was talking about, digital twin technology and AI driven automation? What are those trends you're seeing right now?
Sure. So we're seeing a lot of implementations of digital twin models to mirror the kinematics of these complex Swiss types machines, which is going to enable you to program and simulate these machines at the computer rather than at the shop floor, which is ultimately going to unlock efficiency gains with your programming process to get you making parts quicker.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. So, can you elaborate on, you talked about the key trends as well as some of those pain points that you're seeing in Swiss machining. So, if you could elaborate on those.
Yeah, some of the trends we're seeing is we're seeing machine manufacturers move to a digital twin model where they're having the ability to program these machines offline rather than online. Some of these pain points that you'll see is the kinematics of these machines are very complex. So there's a very low adoption of CAM tools in this environment. So Esprit really fills that niche, and that's where we really excel. So.
Yeah, going back to that, and I want to make sure I'm saying it correctly. Is that Esprit?
Esprit. So
Esprit,
it's
yes.
spirit in French.
Oh, cool.
Esprit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. So, for those unfamiliar with that software as well, could you tell us about Hexagon's Esprit program?
Yeah, so Esprit is a CAD/CAM software. It's geared towards multi-axis mill-turn types machines, specifically for Swiss environments. It supports all types of machine tools from your wire EDM, 3-axis mill, 5-axis mill, and then your complex mill-turn types of machines that are multi-channel and just highly complex types of CNC machines.
Okay. How's the reception been so far for customers of yours who've gotten the Esprit program?
Our customers love it. I mean, it really helps streamline their programming process. It really simplifies complex, kinematic-rich machines. So, once you're a Esprit user, a lot of times, that's the software they stick with and they love, and then they can implement it from top to bottom on their machine shop floor.
Yeah, and so what were some of those main challenges on the shop floor that the Esprit software is solving?
So, general tools that used to program CNC machines, they don't have digital twin simulation. So now you can now verify your tool paths offline and not at the machine tool. So having that verification and having that safeguard before you're running a program really helps ensure safety on the floor. So.
Okay. And as the aerospace and defense industries, evolve, and as Esprit evolves as well, like what are you and what are Hexagon looking forward to meet the needs of those industries, going into 2026 and beyond?
We're looking to add more automation tools and more AI-driven process planning. So kind of in trend with what I won't say everyone else, but we've taken a unique approach on how we do it, and we're customizing our AI specific to your machine shop practices. So, for example, we have our ProPlan AI, which automates operation creation inside of Esprit. So we're using your historical data, we're feeding that to the cloud, and then ProPlan AI will offer recommendations based on how you have historically programmed parts. So big trend on AI automation tools and just unlocking the efficiency gains inside the CAM programming world.
Awesome. Are there any other highlights or takeaways that you'd like to share?
It's been a great show so far. Connecting with manufacturers in Texas. From the aerospace, medical, and defense industry. Not only just new customers, but customers that are current customers. So it's always great to put faces to the name and connect with those individuals.
Awesome. Well, thank you for your time
Yeah,
today.
thank
Appreciate
you.
it.